Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to transfer cryptocurrency from Coinbase Wallet to Binance in 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your investments or just switch platforms, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both your Coinbase Wallet and Binance accounts set up and verified. Security is key in the crypto world, so double-check everything before you start. Step 1. Open your Coinbase Wallet app or website and log in. Head over to your dashboard and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Step 2. Click on the Send or Withdraw option. This is where you'll input the details for the transfer. Before proceeding, switch to your Binance account. Log in and go to the Wallet section. Step 3. In Binance, select Deposit and choose the same cryptocurrency you're sending from Coinbase. This will generate a unique wallet address. Copy that address carefully. Now, back to Coinbase. Paste the Binance wallet address into the recipient field. Double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Step 4. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Be mindful of any network fees, which can vary based on 2025's crypto market conditions. Step 5. Review all the details one last time, then hit Confirm to initiate the transaction. You'll get a confirmation notification, and the crypto will start moving across the blockchain. Finally, keep an eye on your Binance wallet for the funds to arrive. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network congestion. And there you have it. Your crypto is now on Binance. Remember, always stay updated with the latest platform rules in 2025 to keep your assets safe. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.